Hello, I am Melody D. Mercado, 24 years old, and I'm still single. I am working here in Singapore for over 8 months already. My employers are Chinese. First and foremost, my work is to take care of their precious daughter. She is the only one daughter. She is over 8 months already. So the baby will sleep with me every night. I have to take care of the baby the whole day. So I must change diapers for her. I have to feed her. I have to mix milk powder formula. And I have to shower for her every morning and afternoon. I can handle the baby alone. For every time my employers went for a holiday, they leave everything to me. Not only taking care of the baby, but also do housework like wash clothing with the use of washing machine, iron clothing. I have to cook with the use of the oven or the microwave. I know how to use the oven, toaster, and many other appliances that can be used in cooking that will make my job easier and faster. I have to clean the floor with the use of the vacuum cleaner. It's not easy to take care of the baby and do at the same time housework. But I have to. If the baby cry, I must attend to the baby first, then continue again with the housework. It's like that one. So with my experiences here as a domestic helper in Singapore, it's not an easy job. It's really a tough job, wherein one must be flexible at all times. During my first months here, first weeks, I have to do some adjustments to the environment, adjustment to the attitude of my employers on how can I deal with them, on how can I deal with the other people here. So every time I commit mistake, I ask and apologize to my employers. I tell honestly and promptly to them. Being a domestic helper, there are many things that you learn. Indispensable things that you learn, that you may pick and use it in the future. Thank you and more power.